everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In this video, we are going to learn the Odoo Module Migrator is and how it helps developers migrate old Odoo modules to newer version like Odoo 19. So what is Odoo Module Migrator? Odoo Module Migrator is a Python 3 library that automatically updates the source code of Odoo module to make it compatible with newer Odoo versions. Instead of manually changing hundreds of files, the tool performs many common updates automatically, saving developers a lot of time. What other changes can it make? Here are some common examples. First, it renames the old openerp file to manifest file, which is required in newer Odoo versions. Second, it removes the old UDF-8 encoding line that is no longer needed from Odoo 11 onwards. Third, it replaces old import like from openerp import, which the newer syntax as from Odoo import. It can also remove old migration folders that are no longer required, and it updates outdated XML tags. For example, the act window into newer record model format and the tray tag into the list tag. So these are just few examples. The library includes many migration rules to automate repetitive changes. Can it migrate directly to Odoo 90? Yes, it can migrate any older versions of Odoo to newer version, including Odoo 19. However, remember that it mainly updates the module code. Some changes like business logic or new framework features and may still need to be fixed manually. So the migrator saves a lot of time, but you also just need to go with testing your module after the migration. To manage with the migration using the Odoo Module Migrator, first we need to get into the Odoo Module Migrator. So for that, you can just get it from the Git. You can move onto the Git and you can find it will be like this. And you can see that we can find what all changes that will be doing by the Odoo Module Migrator over here. And you can also see the info logs like the warning logs, the error logs, the development improvements, and you can also install using the pip3 install Odoo Module Migrator if you want to install the uh, file of this module. I mean, if you want to download this module. But currently, this installation method is not working. So I recommend you to just get the file in zip format. You can just download it. So click on download and you can see that the download will be taking place in the background. Currently, you can see that the Odoo Module Migrator is being downloaded, and upon clicking on double click, you can see that we have is extracted the Odoo Module Migrator. So here you can see that we have the Odoo Module Migrate, that is the script over here. I mean, inside that we have the script of the migration. And now let me just copy the stream here and let me place it under my home over here. Now, once it's done, we can also just get the module that we just need to migrate. So in order to do that, currently I'll be downloading a module from the version 13 in order to migrate into 18 from the Odoo App Store. So here you can see that I'll be considering the Odoo 13 full accounting kit over here. So you can see that we have different versions which are available. If you just want to choose any other version, you can just get it. Like you can choose the version according to yourself. So currently I want to migrate a module from version 13 to 19. So I'll be choosing the module and you can see that it will be taking a big time to download the module. Now, once the module is downloaded, we can see the module under the downloads. So currently you can see that the module has been downloaded. Now let me double click on it and you can see that the base accounting module has been selected. Now what I'll be doing is that I'll be again copying this module and will be moving on to my Odoo 19 and I'll be placing inside this. So currently I'll be creating a folder called custom add-ons. Okay, or custom modules over here. And let me create it, and inside that I'll be placing the module. Okay, so let me copy the module over here. So here you can see that currently inside the Odoo 19 I'll be setting the module. It's because we are going to migrate from 13 to 19. So in the 19 we'll be doing everything. Now what we have to do is we can just navigate into the Odoo module migrator, and as you just move on to it, you can just open in terminal. Now as you just open in terminal, you can see that currently we have just get into the Odoo module migrator over here. If you're directly opening the uh, terminal, then you just need to get into the Odoo module migrator over here. Okay, now we need to check the version, Python version. Okay, so I'll be checking the Python version. So you can see that we'll be having the Python version as 3.12.3 is the Python version. Afterwards, what I'll be doing is that I'll be creating a new venv in order to do the migration. So in order to create the venv, I'll be providing the command as Python 3. Then you can use hyphen m, then venv. Afterwards, you need to provide the venv name. So I'll be setting it as Odoo 19 MIG over here. Okay, that's the venv name, and you can provide the venv name accordingly. I mean, according to your choice, and click on enter. So here you can see that mm, no module venv is found over there, and we just need to uh, yeah, here you can see there is a spelling mistake. We have just given it as venue. So we need to set it as venv. Okay, when. Now let me click on enter. So once it's done, the next step is to activate the venv. Okay, so to activate the venv, we have to provide the other command, which is source. Then you need to provide the venv name. So here the venv name is Odoo 19 mig or mig slash. Then you need to provide slash bin. Then we need to activate it. So let's click on provide activate, and let's click on enter, and you can see that the when has been activated. And if you want to know if the when was activated or not, you can see that here it will be indicated like this. So from this we can say that the when is activated. Now inside the when we need to install the required packages. So for that I'll be using pip install -r requirements.txt. So all required Python packages will be installed inside this when. So let me click on enter, and we just need to wait for a while in order to collect everything. Now, once it's done, now we'll be moving on to the migration. So in order to deal with the migration, what we'll be doing is that we'll be providing a command. So you can see Python -m, then we need to provide the script. So as you just move on here, you can see that here we have the Odoo module migrate, that is script. So just copy that, and let's move on to the terminal again, and from here you can just paste it. Okay, so use Control Shift V in order to paste that. Okay, so here we are just getting the path. I don't want the complete path. I only just need to get the module name. Okay, so I'll be choosing copy. Now let's move on and use Control Shift V. Okay, and from there you can see that we can just remove the rest of the paths. Yeah, like, and yeah, from home till everything will be clearing, and I'll be only taking the Odoo module migrate, that the script. So once it's done, now we need to provide the directory. Okay, now we'll be providing -t in order to specify the database, and afterwards you can just move on to the PyCharm, and from the PyCharm we have the custom modules over here. And if you just want to specifically choose this module, currently we have only one module inside it, so I'll be choosing this path. If you just want to specify a particular path like with the module, you can just get it. So I'll be using Control Shift C in order to get the path, or you can just get the path from here. Okay, But right now I'll be choosing the shortcut, which is Control Shift C. Now let's move on and let me paste it over here. So, uh, so currently you can see that it's the odoo.conf. We are not just going with the odoo.conf. So ensure that you have put the correct path over here. And yeah, let me set it. Let's move on. And here we have the copy path reference, and we'll be moving on here. And here we can find the absolute path. So I'll be copying the absolute path, and let's move on and let me set it. So here you can see currently we just got the path over here. So once it's done, then what you have to do is you just need to now provide -I and the version of your module. So currently, as you just move on to the module, you can see that uh, like when you just move on to the module, here we have the base kit, and upon moving on to the manifest file, you can see that currently the module version is 13. So you just need to specify the version over here. So from 13, I just want to move or migrate to Odoo 19. So I'll be specifying the version over here, then use -NC. So currently I haven't clicked on enter. Before moving on to that, I'll show you what are the changes that is going to take place over here. Okay, so as you just move on to the pie chart, here you can see that currently the version is 30. Okay, now when I just click on the enter, you can see that the module of the that's the accounting kit in the version 13 will be migrating to Odoo United. So this will be changing over here. And as you just move on to the encoding standards, like you can find the encoding standards that will be changing. Then you can also find that in the views we have the uh, tray tag, and that will be changing. Now let's move on to the terminal, and before just validating the process, here you can see that we just need to know what exactly is going to happen when we just run this command. So here you can see that we have provided Python that starts with the Python interpreter, and we have the -M, then Odoo Module Migrate that runs a module, that runs a Python module named Odoo Module Migrate as a script, and this is equivalent to executing the package's main entry point. Now you can find that -D, then the path of the module that we just want to migrate. That specify the directory containing the Odoo module to migrate, and it is, in this case, we have just given the path of the module um, over here. Now later on, you can just point I over here with the version, so that specify the initial or the source Odoo version, and the module is currently written in version 13, and we can find -T 19 over here. So that specify the target Odoo version, and the tool will apply migration rules to make the module compatible with Odoo 19. And finally, we have -NC, no commit if the directory is a Git repository. The tool will not automatically create Git commits after each migration step. So once everything is done over here, you can click on enter, and you can see that the migration will be taking place over here. So no module found to migrate over here. So you can see that there is something issue with the command. Okay, so I'll be just providing it as custom modules, and let me click on enter, and you can see that you don't need to specify the module over here. You can provide the custom path over there, and now the process has begun, and the migration is being done. Now once the migration has been done, and if you would just want to check that, you can just move on to the pie chart, and Inside the base kit, you can see that we have the manifest file. Now you can see that there will be changes that has taken place. Currently, you can see that the encoding line has been removed, and the version has been changed to Odoo 19. Even if you're using the Odoo Module Migrator, this will not completely do the magic of migration. This will do the migration in certain codes and the code which is optimized in the higher versions. But even if you just want to manage the complete migration, you have to do additional manual works over here. But what the Odoo Migrator will be doing is that this will save your time and effort by reducing your works. Okay, so if you just want to set it as Odoo 19, you just need to make further changes in the name over here. Now you can see that still we have the Odoo 19 over here under the description. So such keywords or the under the description and everything, you have to manually change everything. What the migrator will be doing is that it will be changing the tags or the fields or any other the codes which have been changed from the older versions to the newer version. The advantages of using Odoo Module Migrator is that you can jump from any older version to the higher version, no matter if there comes any versions in between. But if you're just using the Odoo open upgrade for migration, then you have to switch from one version to the other in order to move on to the higher version. You cannot directly migrate or jump from Odoo 13 to 19. But by using the Odoo Module Migrator, that will let you to manage the jumping from one of the version to the other one, like migration from 13 to 19 is possible without considering the intermediate or in between versions. Okay, to summarize, the Odoo Module Migrator is a useful Python library that automates common code changes when upgrading Odoo modules, and it helps developers to reduce manual works and speed up the migration process and makes upgrading to newer Odoo version much easier. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share with other Odoo developers. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in next video.